Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Attero Tech Dante wall plates and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. There's kind of two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these wall plates are not working, or if they seem to be bugging or not responding or anything like that where you're trying to get them fixed and you just can't get them to work right, a hard reset can fix a lot of the issues. The second reason you might want to do this, and you'll need to do this either way, is if you want to just get it set up as a new device. If you just want to have all the configurations and everything like that reset to the way they were when they came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that very simply. You will need a paper clip or something like that. And then what you're going to do is on the underside of the device, you're going to find the ventilation holes. And next to the ventilation holes, you'll see there is a small reset hole. So what you'll do is you'll need to push your paper clip in there and push the button, and you should hear a little click when you push the button. And you'll hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds, at which point you should see the LED indicator light turn red, indicating that it is resetting. Once it completes, you can go ahead and set this up as a new device.